is up, everybody? Mr. Happiness24 here. Today I'm going to be kind of quiet because everybody else is sleeping. But today I'm going to be opening a Volcanion EX tin, and yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. But I have a lot of videos to make. I get to open a Magnera EX tin, a Pikachu EX tin, and then a Break X and Y box, which is literally guaranteed not to get a crap card, and there's an EX in every pack. So that I'm the most excited for. So sorry, I'm a freaking savage, so watch how I open this. Savage style. Got the I'll be back when I get this open. Oh, and by the way, well, I did get it open, but I will be giving away all of these codes. I don't even use the codes. Please tell me what you get. But, like, the art on this card, look at the art on that. It's like, there's a code. Here's the booster packs it comes with. It only comes with 4. That X and Y Break Mega Pack, Championship Pack, comes with 10. So I guaranteed to get 100 Holo EX, Reverse Holo, and Break cards, which is amazing. So let's start out with our Hoopa, this Hoopa pack. It is Ancient Origins. Then we'll go ahead and open our Steam Siege packs. Then we'll do Primal Clash. Open up your dumb pack. Sorry, just had to do the card trick there. Blossom. Special Electric Energy. Porygon 2. Golurk. Wooper. Beldum. Sorry, excuse me. Spinnerack. Magikarp. Gloom. Porygon Z! Yes! Okay, it is a regular rare though. So that is one regular rare. I have so many packs to open today. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Oh, and I bought that pack just in time, that X and Y Break pack, because I bought it for like $70, and now it costs like $170 because they don't make them anymore. But I will show you something very, very cool that you're gonna love. This is the box that it was shipped in. You want to see what the front looks like? Look at that. It's all Japanese and stuff. See? A Japanese box. It's pretty freaking cool. Choukou, Fukuakashi, Fuoka. That's what it says. Yeah. Next, let's open our Gardevoir pack, our shiny Gardevoir Gardevoir pack, actually. Wait, who put shiny? No. Volcanion. I left my... I'm going to put my good cards right here for a review at the end. By the way, just skip to the end if you don't want to watch me open these. Oh, I forgot to do the card trick. Here's another code. Sorry, I'm just giving people some time to get it. Or a person. These don't get many views anyway. I'm pretty much just opening them for fun. So, yeah. Special charge. Reverse energy as a Meryl. Lampert. Shalos. Krogunk, he's pretty cool. Tangela, he's pretty crap. Clink, even crappier. Joltik, I did not have one of those. Reverse Hollow, what's his name? Animal. And then a regular rare Nido King. Can we at least get one EX break or full art? Is it gonna be all regular rares? I'm gonna pray for me. Blowing it. And yes, Unlisted Leaf does do that. I just really want a good card out of this pack. Here's a code. I'll give you a second to look at that. That one's kind of hard to type in, so I'm going to give you a couple extra seconds. Well, you could just pause it. Got Monferno, Nidorino, Pokemon Ranger, I think that's what it is, yeah. Drifloon, Apom, Mankey, Shellos, Krogunk, Hollow Litwick. Secret rare for Gardevoir EX Hollow. Oh my god, guys. It's a freaking secret rare Gardevoir EX Hollow. Full art. It's a secret rare. It's a secret rare. If we can get anything better in this pack, I don't know if we can, because I think that's impossible. Because that is like the best thing I could ever ask for. I'm satisfied with this whole pack now. Kyogre Spirit Link, Seadra, Special Fairy Energy. I don't even have one of those, believe it or not. Fairy Energies used to be the most common card you could get. Steel, Staryu, Claybrickle, Bunnelby, Illumaz, Electrike, reverse, and then a regular rare Tentacruel. Well, okay guys, so we really got pretty crap cards out of this. Number one is our promo. This is the banger that I've never even seen before. secret, flipping rare, secret rare, flipping full art hollow Volcanion EX with a Yelto in the background. I think that's how you say his name. Well, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Tell me if you enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe. That would be great. But yeah, these are two great cards that I got, and I'm pretty satisfied. Cause like, where else are you gonna pull this? Like, I don't even know if this card's in any other sets. Well, I have two other tins that are in the same set. If I would double up on one of these, oh my god, I don't know what I'd do. I'd sell one. I gotta go look how much they cost. Bye, guys.